Hey, it's Angie. I'm ready to go for a walk, get some fresh air, sunshine, and vitamin D. I've got my sleeves rolled up, got my blue jeans on, and yep, gonna burn off some sugar. We went out for lunch, my birthday lunch. It was a treat. And for dessert, I had baklava. It was so good. So now I definitely need to get a walk done and burn some glucose. And I'm so glad that you stopped by to see me. And like and subscribe if you like this content. Check with you later. Bye. Beach is colder than I thought it was going to be. Now I wish I had a jacket. It's so pretty and blue. I just love these colors. The sea fog is coming in. The rain has stopped. It's finally peaceful. And it's warming up a bit. First, I was wanting to go back home because it was so cold. But yeah, the sun coming out makes all the difference.